Hey Joe, would you like some broccoli mixed with chicken? Broccoli and chicken? Yeah, you don't like that? Would you like more? A little more? This is because Grandma Daryl likes watching you eat. More broccoli, please. I don't think Odie likes broccoli. Would you like more broccoli, please? Hey, Mama, please. More, please. No. Don't take off your bib. That is not very nice. You two are going to get in a lot of trouble together. Say, Doug. I'm going to give you more broccoli if you're not careful.